The world is changing fast, and the businesses that thrive are the ones embracing it. In a world where the internet is everything, where connections, transactions, and ideas flow in seconds, why would any business stay offline? It is not a secret. Linking your business to the internet isn't just an option anymore. It is a survival tactic. Let's get into numbers. Over 60% of consumers research products or services online before making a purchase. That means your potential customers are out there searching for you, or maybe they are searching for your competition. But here's the kicker. If your business isn't visible online, it might as well not exist. People are moving faster than ever. They want instant access to the things they need right now. And that means if you are not online, you could be invisible and lost. Now here's the thing. The internet isn't just a tool. It is an opportunity machine. The moment you create a digital presence, your business goes globally. Whether you are selling handmade jewelry, software solutions, or even loan care, you can research customers in other states, other countries, even continents. And you don't need to be a tech genius to do it. Setting up an online store is easier than ever with platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or even social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. What about marketing? The internet gives you a megaphone. You can target the exact audience you want with ads that are smart, budget-friendly, and measurable. Google Ads, social media promotions, email campaign. You can literally track every click. Instead of blindly guessing what's working, the internet lets you know in real time what's resonating with your customers. And that means you can double down on what works and drop what doesn't. But here's where things get really powerful. The internet doesn't just give you a platform. It makes you more efficient. Inventory management, automated customer service, and even sales can all be streamed online. Free up time for you to focus on the creative side of your business. With the right tools, your business is working even when you are not. Still not convinced? Think about your favorite local coffee shop or your go-to clothing store. Chances are they've got a digital presence, be it an Instagram page, a website, or a link to order online. It is how they stay connected to you, to your needs, to your expectations. In a world of small businesses, customer loyalty isn't just about good service anymore. It's about staying top of mind. The internet helps you do that every single day. So why should your business link to the internet? Because it is not just a trend. It is the future of commerce. It is how you connect, sell, grow, and thrive. The internet isn't just the next big thing. It is the only thing. Are you ready to take your business online? Comment below.